Hello everyone. In 12th standard we are discussing maths, right? And our chapter is matrices. We have discussed few things of matrices such as what is the matrix, how we can create matrix, what is the element of matrix, what is the order of matrix, all these things. And then types of matrix. We have already discussed 7-8 types. Now in previous class we have already discussed the operations, addition, subtraction and multiplication with scalar. So now let's practice few more questions, how different way and how can we ask, or in exam how can it be asked. So first thing, we will take one example A. Now we have changed the type of matrix. Up till now we have discussed square matrix. Now we have started rectangular matrix. If we have given A and B like this. Okay, now what I want to do? I want to add simple these two matrix. Why I have taken this example? We have started rectangular matrix and now I have taken rational number also and numbers with root and all. So that's why we have taken this example again. Chalo, A plus B means root 3 plus 2. Now second is 1 plus root 5. Third one will be minus 1 plus 1. Addition of first row completed. Now second, 2 plus minus 2. Then 3 plus 3 and last is 0 plus half. Now you know 2 plus root 3 keep as it is, no need to add it. 1 plus root 5 keep as it is. Minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. Plus 2 minus 2 also 0. 3 plus 3 will be 6 and 0 plus half will be half. Now the same operation we will perform with subtraction. Let's take subtraction. First is root 3 minus 2. Second is 1 and root 5. So 1 minus root 5. Third is minus 1 minus 1. Remember minus sign we have used. Now 2 minus minus 2. 3 minus 3 and last 0 minus half. Now first two you have to keep as it is. So root 3 minus 2 as it is. 1 minus root 5 as it is. Now minus 1 minus 2. Minus and minus. 2 minus sign with multiplication. So minus minus plus. So 2 plus 2 will be 4. 3 minus 3 will be 0 and 0 minus half will be minus half. So our rectangular matrix addition and rectangular matrix subtraction is over. Now let's take another example. Now we will discuss, suppose you have given matrix A as 1, 2, 3, second 2, 3, 1. Matrix B as 3 minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2. And we want to find for rectangular matrix 2A minus B. Now 2A means multiplication with scalar. What is the scalar? 2 is given here. Now we have to keep matrix as it is. Everything is as it is. Only first you have to multiply first matrix with 2 and then you have to perform subtraction. Let's take 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, again 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. Now minus 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2. Now let's subtract it. 2 minus 3. 4 minus minus 1. Now 6 minus 3. 4 minus minus 1. Then second is 6 minus 0 and last 2 minus 2. Now you know what to do. 2 minus 3. Minus 1. Minus minus again plus. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. 6 minus 3 will be 3. Now again same. 4 minus minus plus 1. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. 6 minus 0 will be 6, and last 2 minus 2 will be 0. So this is the multiplication with scalar also and subtraction of two matrix also. Now we will discuss next question. Again we have to find in rectangular matrix only, but the given unknown matrix. So how can we find? Let's see, your question is, now vertical matrix is given, it is again rectangular, A given, B is given, 2 minus 2, 4, 2 and minus 5, 1. Now your operation is 2A plus 3x equal to 5B. Now we have to find x only. So how can we operate this? We will shift the side of 2A on the side of 5B. So when you shift it, you have to change the sign. Now still we want to find x only. We don't want 3. So divide by 3 on both sides. So 5B minus 2A by 3. So how can you write? X will be 1 by 3, 5B minus 2A. Now you have to multiply your matrix B with 5, matrix A with 2, and then subtraction, and then an answer you have to divide it by 3. So let's start. 5 into, what is your B here? We will write first 2 minus 2, 4, 2 minus 5, 1 minus 2 into A will be 8, 0, 4 minus 2 and 3, 6. Now this complete. We will simplify 1 by 3. Let's first multiply with 5. So what is it? 5 2s are 10. 5 into minus 2 will be minus 10. 5 4s are 20. 5 into 2, 10. 5 5s are minus 25 and 5 1s are 5. First one complete, minus. Let's multiply with 2. You can do two ways. If you want to write here addition sign, you multiply full matrix with minus 2. If you want to keep minus sign here, you can multiply with plus 2. It doesn't matter how you want to do. 2 8s are 16 and 2 into 0, 0. 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. But here minus sign, so we have kept minus. 2 3s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. Complete. Now we simple subtract it. We will subtract simply. Direct I write 10 minus 16 is minus 6. Minus 10 minus 0 is your minus 10. 20 minus 8 will be 12. 10 minus 2 times minus sign in multiplication means plus. So 10 plus 4 will be 14. Minus 25 minus 6. 25 and 6 means minus 31. And 5 minus 12 means minus 7. Now how can we write our answer? That we will just divide all the terms with 3. Okay, which number is divisible, you can divide it. Remaining you can keep as it is, it doesn't matter. Now this one we will keep as it is, this also 31 by 3 and last also minus 7 by 3. So now your x will be minus 2, minus 10 by 3, 4, 14 by 3, minus 31 by 3 and minus 7 by 3. So now I think this will be more clear to you. So we will just start different type of questions with square matrix and rectangular both. So first one, we will take one example in which you have given addition of two matrix 5, 2, 0 and 9 and subtraction of two matrix. This thing is given. Now from these two you have to find matrix X and matrix Y. Now you tell me, if you have given X plus Y and X minus Y, suppose any numbers are given here A and B, chalo, two matrix. So how can you solve these equations? We already learned two methods, one elimination, then cross multiplication in your previous classes. So same thing we can follow with matrix also. See, if I add these two matrix directly, if I add it, means this is the method of elimination. So if I add, then plus or minus Y will be cancelled, I get 2x equal to A plus B. What is our A and B? These two matrix, and we know how to add these two matrix. So first, if we follow this method, then what we have to write? X plus Y equal to our first matrix, X minus Y equal to our second matrix. Let's see. Now X minus Y equal to what you have given? 3, 6, 0, minus 1. Now let's add it. So when you add it, plus minus will be cancelled, X plus X will be 2x. Now let's add it. 5 plus 3 will be 8, 2 plus 6 again 8, 0 plus 0 will be 0, and 9 minus 1 will be 8. But here we are getting 2x. You want x. So let's divide both sides by 2. So what you get? When you divide both sides by 2, your x will be, we simple divide all the terms by 2. So 8 by 2, 8 by 2, 0 by 2 and 8 by 2. So what you get? 4, 4, 0 and 4, because 0 by 2 will be 0. But remember, when you write 0 by 2 it is 0, but when you write 2 by 0 it became infinitive. So whenever you get the same condition, remember this thing, that 2 by 0 is 0 and 0 by 2 will be infinitive. Okay, so your x will be 4, 4, 0, 4. Now we will same way, we will find our y. Now let's see, how can we find our y? In same only we discuss here. Now we have value of x. So let's take x plus y equal to 5, 2, 0, 9. Now we will put up the value of x here. So 4, 4, 0, 4 plus y equal to 5, 2, 0, 9. Now we can shift full matrix on the side of first matrix. So what you get? 5, 2, 0, 9. When you shift this matrix, your sign will be changed and it's became minus. So now just subtract it. 5 minus 4 will be 1. 2 minus 4 will be minus 2. 0 minus 0 will be 0. And 9 minus 4 will be 5. This is the one way how we have solved. After getting x, you can do one more thing. If how we have taken addition of these two matrix, now you take subtraction of these two matrix. When you subtract it, then what is the change in it? I show you that method also. Now x and y is clear to you. So we will make a change that on place of addition, let's start with subtraction. So when we subtract it, what you will get? Subtraction means sign change. Minus, this minus became plus and this plus became minus. That means x will be eliminated. Now y plus y will be 2y and simple subtraction of these two matrix. So what is it? 5 minus 3 will be 2. 2 minus 6 will be minus 4. 0 minus 0 will be 0 and 9 minus minus plus 1 will be 10. Now divide by 2. When you divide both sides by 2, then here 2 by 2 1, minus 4 by 2 minus 2, 0 by 2 0 and 10 by 2 will be 5. So check, by both the way we will get the same answer. So which method is easier or convenient for you, you can follow. Suppose first you have added and you get x, now you subtract it and you get y, that also you can do. Or after getting x, if you put up in any one of equation and if you find the value of y, it doesn't matter, by both the way you can say the same thing. Okay, now after completing all, now I think it will be more clear to you that how to perform algebraic operations, addition, subtraction and multiplication with scalar. Now we will start simple multiplication of a matrices, and this is the most important part of this chapter. Up till now what you learn, it is a basic thing, and we can use all these questions I think of 1 mark or 2 mark. But now the full chapter based on this method. We will start with very small matrix 2 by 2, and I take one easiest example, so it will be easier to you to understand this. Now we will multiply these two matrix, means we are starting third algebraic operation, multiplication of two matrices. Now let's see 1 2 3 2. Now 2 1 0 2. Up till now what we learn? We are adding first element with first, second with second, third with third and fourth with fourth. That is the easiest way we will follow in algebraic operation, addition and subtraction. But here little bit change. In multiplication what you have to do? Your first row will be multiplied with first column. So now first element will be multiplied with first plus second element will be multiplied with second. Now what to do? First row multiplied with first column. That means 1 into 2, first element with first. Now second, but between that two, you have to put up the plus sign. See, concentrate proper way. First row, it will be multiplied with first column. And what you get, these two algebraic operations, with that you have to add. Now 2 ones are 2, plus 2 into 0, that way. Now the same thing we can follow with the second column. So what is it? 1 into 1 plus second with second means 2 into 2. This way what you get, that is your first row. You cannot multiply directly first element with first, second with second, third with third, fourth with fourth. No, we have to multiply first row with first column, you get the first element. First row with second column, you get the second element. And now the same process we can follow with second row. Now here, second row with first column. So 3 into 2 and plus 2 into 0. Same way, 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Now you know the addition, subtraction, multiplication, everything. 2 ones are 2 plus 2 into 0. Here 1 ones are 1 plus 2 twos are 4. 3 twos are 6 plus 2 into 0, 0. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 twos are 4. So let's solve it. 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 1 is 5, 6 plus 0 is 6 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So now this is the multiplication of two matrix. Let's revise it one more time because this is the most important part of our chapter. We have given two matrix A and B. Now we want to multiply it. Here you cannot multiply it directly. So this part I show you again. How can we multiply it? Let's see. 1 2 3 2. Then 2 1 0 2. What I have started? First row. I have multiplied with first column. So this 2 element will be multiplied with this 2. Now check. 2 ones are 2. We have written. 2 into 0 we have written. But for this 2 element, here we have to write the addition sign. This is your method. Now the same way first row with second column. So 1 and 2 multiply with this 1 and 2. Let's see. 1 ones are 1 plus 2 ones are 2. Now how we have performed with first row, the similar thing we will follow for the second. So here and same way here. Chalo, 3 into 2 is 6 and 2 into 0. Similar way, 3 ones are 3 and 2 twos are 4. So this way you get the answer for matrix multiplication. We will practice more questions in next class. So for today it's enough. Thank you very much.